happy birthday. So, actually, you might not know me, but I'm your mom's best friend since high school. My wish to you on your birthday is that you'll be a good ate to Hannah, and that you'll be a loving daughter to your mom and dad. Okay? And I wish that you have more good friends as you grow up and have fun today. Happy birthday!
Picture, ma'am. Picture. Picture. Sit beside her. Picture po, picture. Smile. Smile.
Alright, thank you so much. Next on my list, let's go on Jemima Sanchez. Jemima?
Hi, Kylie. Happy birthday. May this be your best one yet. I wish you forever to be blessed with joy, success, and unimaginable opportunities in life. Wishing you confidence to chase all your dreams. And may your days be filled with love and laughter, surrounded by people who love and cherish you. Wishing you a bright future ahead of you. Love you.
Thank you so much. Next, let's go on Amy Gutierrez. Amy?
Gumagalaw kasi yung carpet. Gumagalaw. Dandan ka, gumagalaw yung carpet.
Hi everyone. Hi Kylie. Happy birthday. I know you've seen me several times, but know that me and your mom's friends in college love you very dearly. And Hannah, we are the friends that your mom chose, our family that your mom chose, and I hope you call us titas, aunties. And also the kids, the SG kids, treat them as your cousins, because we'll have a lot more years together to see each other. As I observe you in Hannah's birthday, I know you're very observant. And I know in this young age of yours, you're no longer a baby, but you're not yet an adult. Learn everything and observe everything. And I know you're a very bright kid, of course, very pretty. You're living in two different cultures. Learn everything as a Canadian and also as a Filipino. And I'm happy to hear that you understand our language. I know you'll be a polyglot soon. Not just English, not just Filipino, but also French. Learn everything, be happy. I hope all your wishes, not just now, but in the future will come true. Study hard, listen to your parents, be a loving sister, and know that we'll always be here for you. I love you, honey, and I hope soon you'll be closer to us. Happy 7th birthday, Kylie.
Dahan-dahan lang po.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, let's go on Dexter Bautista. Dexter?
Hi Kylie, happy 7th birthday. So yung kanina, yung mama ko, she has a best friend. Ako naman yung best friend ng dad mo. I think you've seen me a couple of times already. No? So my only wish for you is just be a kid, you know? Don't worry too much. Focus on your studies. My wish is you have more adventures as you grow up, and be be a responsible ate. Okay, be a responsible ate, and of course you have to show respect to your parents. Okay, to your mom and dad as you grow up, and I wish you the very best in life. I hope that all your wishes will all come true as you grow up, and we will always see each other as every time you go on vacation. Okay, I love you so much, Kylie, and thank you so much for having us here. Cheers.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, let's call on Tita Ken Zapanta. Tita Ken.
Hi Kylie, happy 7th birthday. As you celebrate this special day, may your heart be filled with joy and your spirit with wonder. Embrace each moment with curiosity and courage, for the world is yours to explore. Remember, you are deeply loved, and your unique light brightens our lives. Here's to a year of growth, adventure, and endless possibilities. Alam ko, responsible ate ka. Nakikita ko yun sa bahay. Kay Hana, kay mami mo. Stay sweet and kind and obedient. I love you.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, let's call on Rachel Escolano. Rachel?
Hi Kylie, happy birthday. Si Bella ang sasalita.
Happy birthday, Kylie. And my wish for you is that you always be happy, pretty, and smart.
Okay, so dagdagan ko lang. So Kylie, para i-end natin yung wish ni Bella, may the Lord God grant all your heart's desire, and may the Lord God guide you always in your family. Happy birthday, Kylie!
Dahan-dahan lang po.
Next on my list, or last on my list, let's call on Lola Meli Lanuza. Lola Meli.
Hi Kylie. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay lumaki kang mabait, masunurin sa magulang, at matupad mo sana lahat ng pangarap mo. Love you.
Tabi ka lang sa ako.
Thank you so much. Teka. Yun yung 7. Pero kasi, I don't know, if I were you, hindi ko nakita yung mami eh, no? Yeah. Di ba? The ladies shop it up, I'll give her a round of applause. Mami, give me on stage.
Careful lang, gumagalaw yung carpet.
Anak, ate. Ito mo lang ako. 8 years ago, nung nalaman kong pregnant ako sa'yo, sobrang happy ako kasi hindi ko alam feeling na maging mommy. Tapos, medyo sensitive yung pregnancy ko sa'yo. And then, same year, nawala si Papa. So, sobrang hindi ko alam yung feelings, kung emotions para i-handle. So, ang wish ko nung 8 years ago, maging good health lang yung baby ko. And thank you kasi kumapit ka. Kasi naging healthy ka. Kahit sensitive yung pregnancy ko and may nagdadaanan ng family noon. Thank you. And growing up, nakita ko na magiging sobrang responsible mong ate sa bahay. You keep on helping me sa mga house chores. Sobrang sipag mo, thank you. At sobrang obedient mo. Just continue who you are. And maging, alagaan mo lang lagi si Hannah, ang baby natin, ha? Maging loving and caring ate ka. Okay? That's my wish. And always be happy. Support kita palagi sa mga gusto mong gawin, ha? Love you, ate. Happy birthday.
Stay there na. Katawagin ko yung makasal.
Alright, let's go on. Patricia, Jemima, Amy, Dexter, Tita Ken, Rachel, and Lola, Melly. I need you guys on stage. We're going to have your picture saying all of our 7 wishes. Please proceed to our stage. And kids, we already have seats here. I want you guys to occupy these seats. Why? We're going to play a lot of games. We're going to have our magic and our puppet show. Come on. Our 7 wishes, go to the stage. Just be careful with the carpet, huh? Careful. Kaya nagumalaw na. Be careful. Alright. And look at the camera. Make sure to smile. Smile! Hindi, parang may uso na ngayon yung A. O, A kayo, gano'n na, A. Alright, A! Ladies and gentlemen, how about we all give her a warm round of applause? Kylie, 7 wishes. Thank you so much, ladies, but just be careful, be careful. Alright, now, here's what. Kids, who wants to bring home prizes? Raise your hands. Now, si Kylie, she's gonna change dress muna.